Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into your Binance account securely. Easy guide step by step clearly. First, make sure you are using your own private device and a trusted internet connection. Open your web browser and type Binance.com manually to avoid fake links. Check the address bar and confirm you see the correct domain and a secure HTTPS connection. If you use the Binance app, download it only from the official App Store or Google Play. Open the Binance website or app and tap or click Login. Enter your registered email address or phone number carefully. Type your password slowly and make sure caps lock is not accidentally on. Avoid using password autofill on shared computers or public devices. If you forgot your password, use the official Forgot Password option and follow the prompts. When the security verification appears, complete the puzzle or CAPTCHA if requested. If two-factor authentication is enabled, prepare your authenticator app or security key. Enter the 6-digit code from Google Authenticator or Binance Authenticator before it expires. If you use SMS verification, wait for the code and enter it exactly as received. Never share your verification codes with anyone, even if they claim to be support. If you receive an unexpected login prompt, stop and do not approve any code. After logging in, check the last login time and device list from your account security page. If you see a device or location you do not recognize, change your password immediately. Go to Security Settings and enable two-factor authentication if it is not already enabled. Set up anti-phishing codes so Binance emails are easier to verify as authentic. Turn on withdrawal address whitelisting to reduce the risk of unauthorized withdrawals. Review your email account security and enable 2FA on your email as well. Avoid logging in through links from emails, ads, or social media messages. Do not use public Wi-Fi for logging in unless you use a trusted VPN. Keep your phone and computer updated to reduce security vulnerabilities. Install a reputable antivirus or anti-malware tool and run regular scans. Log out when you finish, especially if you are on a device that others can access. Close the browser or app completely to prevent session reuse on shared devices. If Binance asks for additional verification, follow only the in-app or on-site instructions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.